Welcome to yet another recipe of Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I will be making a recipe that is highly nutritious. That is shrimp and broccoli in lemon butter garlic sauce. As you all know, broccoli has a high nutritious value. It contains potassium, vitamin C, builds collagen, has good carbs and high in fiber. Great for weight loss too because of its fiber and great for immunity. Shrimps also have a high nutritious value due to its omega-3 fatty acid contents and it's good for health. If you like my video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. The ingredients to prepare the shrimp and broccoli in lemon butter garlic sauce are shrimps 200 grams. I have deveined them and washed them. Broccoli florets 1 cup. Green onions half cup. White of green onions half cup. Garlic chopped 2 tablespoons. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Light soya sauce 2 tablespoons. Cornstarch or corn flour 1 tablespoon. Sugar 1 teaspoon. Butter 1 teaspoon. Pepper powder half teaspoon. Salt 1 teaspoon or as per taste. Sesame oil 2 tablespoons. Now we shall marinate our shrimps with half a teaspoon of pepper, and we will be using half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it nicely. Now we shall set it aside. Now we shall prepare our sauce. I will be using half a cup of vegetable stock, the lime juice, the soya, the sugar, half the chopped garlic, the corn flour or cornstarch, we shall mix it for a little while so that no lumps of the corn flour is remaining. Place a vessel with 2 glasses of water in it on the stove and light the gas. Allow the water to boil. Add a pinch of baking soda to the boiling water to maintain the freshness and color of the broccoli. Add the broccoli to the water and let it boil for around 2 minutes. Turn off the gas, drain the water and let it cool. Now place a pan on the stove and light the gas and keep the flame on medium. Add the sesame oil, the butter, we will now add the remaining chopped garlic and saute for a few seconds. Add the marinated shrimp and fry for 2 minutes. Add the green spring onions and saute for a few seconds. Now add the white part of spring onions and saute for another few seconds. Add the salt. Add half of the prepared sauce and mix. Add the remaining sauce and cook till it thickens. Add the broccoli, mix lightly for a few seconds and turn off the gas. So friends, our shrimp and broccoli in lemon butter garlic sauce is ready. Do try this recipe at home for your family and friends and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.